What's going on, everyone? I am going to do a quick video of my craft room. I finally finished it. It is taking me forever, and this is about the most straight that it's going to get. So we're going to go ahead and show you what I have here. I have my initial hanging up to my first name when you come in here, and then I have this craft that I am going to show next here. This designer inspired pen here on this mannequin. I have my papers here, 8.5 by 11, and Mel, my name there. And then I have some little quickies that I have stored here that I'm looking for. Oh, where is it at? And they're stuffed in there. This closet actually doesn't have my craft stuff. My craft stuff is in the hallway. I wanted my own area for my clothes, so they're in there. I just come in here and do everything in my room here. When you're military and you're moving around, I've had a bigger room before with clothes, closets, and we got gypped in this one with closet space, so I just come in here and get dressed and everything. So, but anyways, there's nothing to show in there, and actually in the hall closet is just, you know, little bits in there. The majority of everything is in here. But anyway, I have my degree on the wall. I have some curtains back here, and on my way are memory keepers, because that is my favorite thing I reach for, wear memory keepers. Some brushes, all my books and study and Bibles, journals, my current magazines, and down here I have my dog's bed. Then I have my stamps and what do I have down here? I have my stamps and dies and projects that I'm working on in a bin, and then all my nice bling. Then on my desk here, I have some toilet paper rolls because I'm going to work on a project with them. I have some lace and what do you call these? As you can see here, that's what they are. And then all my flowers and things here. And I didn't get a chance to vacuum my floor, so you have to excuse my floor. I'm trying to not let my 3-year-old, you can see my 3-year-old's little play space here before she wakes up from her nap, so I'm trying to hurry here. I have all my stencils over here hanging, bags. This is all my quick inks and quick reaches, stamps, things of that sort. I'm trying to learn to work with the little sewing machine. Y'all, me and sewing we ain't there yet. And there is my bloom, and here is my over of product. I've got it all in that one thing down there. And what do I have here? A little space for my daughter with pillows. And then we have my embossing folders and tags and little quick embellishments. 8.5, the thick paper of 8.5 by 11. And then my stash of extra blings and embellishments. And glue guns, gloves, and working on some junk mail coming up, some little junk mail folders, envelopes. My ribbon storage thing is a little slanted, but it did make it with me moving, so it's a little bit not as straight as it used to be, but it did make it. And then I have another desk set up over here with essentials over here, my vagabond, and for painting and things on the glass mat. And then I've got more, a little bit of everything over here. And I've got some coffee dyed paper up there. And as we go over here, I have all my punches and some more papers. Then all my little paper pads are in this thing here. I've got some cards, and the rest of my cards are down over here. Cards and envelopes. Then all my cutting pads and everything, I forgot to show that. Sequins, glitter, my binder, cuddle bug, and then my big jar of bling there. My cameo, my Cricut, all my thickers are in here. I've got so many, yeah, I have 2 different drawers of them. And there's my ink machine, my printer, and then my bigger rolls of ribbon and my rolls of wrapping paper. And then I had my desk over here, but it wasn't working and I had to redo everything. So I have some more other of my favorite jewels over here hanging up. And then my big trash can over here, and I'll just take my little trash can and put it over whichever desk I'm working on. But this is as neat as I'm going to get, and I'm always curious to look and see how others' craft rooms are. I have a little bit more work to do, but this is probably the best that it's going to get for me to be able to show. So I hope you enjoyed this tour. Thanks for watching, and see you later, Craftinistas.